This is Elad Heaven. Catch on the latest release called Manifestation. It's my new album that we're working on. And I just came this morning to give you a shout with one of the tracks titled Teach Me, Lord. It's just an acoustic teaser, so just listen and be blessed. Put you first in everything I did. I try to make it on my own. Lord, I try to get it by myself. Never put you first in everything I did. Lord, but now I know it's all from you. Every good and perfect gift. And now I'm looking on the hills where my head will come. Teach me, Lord, to pray. Teach me, Lord, to wait. Teach me, Lord, to hope. Teach me, Lord, to stand and my faith and trust in you. To doubt no more in you. That the best is all from you. To see the truth in you. Your blessings may get rich and add no pain. Your blessings may get rich and add no pain. Your blessings may get rich and add no pain. Okay, so anytime soon we're going to have manifestation. I believe God is going to be great. And I'll be waiting for your love and your support. God bless you.